Are you tired of constantly buying expensive ink cartridges, dealing with messy refills, or struggling with a printer that just can't keep up with your busy life? What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. We're talking about a game changer for anyone running a small office or small business. The new Brother INKvestment Tank 980 all-in-one printer. This isn't just another printer. It's a commitment to efficiency, savings, and seamless operation, and I've been putting it through its paces. First up, let's tackle the elephant in the room: ink. The Brother INKvestment Tank 980 completely redefines your ink experience with its innovative refillable ink tank technology. Forget those tiny, costly cartridges. This printer comes with Brother genuine no-spill bottles that make refilling a breeze. We're talking about 30 seconds for color and just 65 seconds for black. The clever design even prevents you from inserting the wrong color bottle, eliminating messy mistakes. But here's the kicker, the absolute showstopper. It includes up to 3 years of ink in the box. Imagine that, 3 years without thinking about buying ink. That's not just convenience. It's a massive saving in time, money, and stress, allowing you to focus on what truly matters for your business. This feature alone makes the MFC-T980DW an incredible investment. But what about getting the actual work done efficiently? The Brother INKvestment Tank 980 is packed with productivity-focused features designed to keep your small office humming. This machine offers automatic duplex printing, meaning it prints on both sides of the page automatically, saving you paper and reducing environmental impact. A win-win. With a generous 150-sheet paper tray and an additional 80-sheet multi-purpose tray, you'll spend less time reloading and more time printing various media types, from envelopes to thicker cardstock. Need to scan or copy multiple documents? The 20-page single-sided automatic document feeder, ADF, handles stacks with ease. And when it comes to speed, this printer doesn't slouch, delivering up to 17 pages per minute, ppm, for black and 16.5 ppm for color. This means less waiting and more doing, keeping your workflow smooth and productive. In today's connected world, a printer needs to be more than just a printer. It needs to be a hub. The MFC-T980DW truly shines with its versatile connectivity options and smart cloud app integrations. Whether you prefer a wireless network connection for ultimate flexibility, an Ethernet cable for rock-solid stability, or a simple USB connection for direct printing, this printer has you covered. Plus, there's a convenient front USB port for quick print from or scan to functionality. But it gets even better. You can print from and scan directly to popular cloud apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive, all controlled through the printer's intuitive 1.8-inch color display. This means you can access and manage your documents from virtually anywhere, streamlining your digital workflow and making document sharing effortless. So if you're looking for an all-in-one printer that genuinely delivers on its promises, incredible ink savings, robust productivity features, and seamless connectivity, the Brother INKvestment Tank 980 is an absolute must-have for any small office or small business. It's an investment in your efficiency, your budget, and your peace of mind. Stop settling for less and start experiencing the future of printing. Ready to revolutionize your office setup? Find the link to the Brother INKvestment Tank 980 in the description below, along with more details and current pricing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews,